Welcome you once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can have amazing skin tone with just a simple and easy color grading on your images. This color grading is just something that you should know and know how to do it very well, because this is just a simple and easy color grading that you should know how to do it on your Photoshop. So stick with me and watch the video till the end. Alright, and the first thing I really want you to know when you want to have this type of color grading and about to show you on your Photoshop, first thing, please make sure that your foreground color here, your foreground color is on black while your background color is set to white. Then after that, you come down to your adjustment layer here, make sure you click on your gradient map, then come down to your blending option here, click on your soft light, then under your opacity here, bring it back to 22. Make sure your opacity is set to 22. Okay, then after that, second thing you still want to do, come down to your adjustment layer here, click on it, and then pick your gradient map again for the second time, and then you click on this color here, and then just be coming down with your mouse, come down until you see your legacy gradients. Click on your legacy gradients here, and then come down again, just be coming down until you see your photographic tuning. Click on your photographic tuning here and just click this arrow here, this more arrow, and then over here, once this color pop up, I am going with my CPN Antique. I'm going with my CPN Antique, which is the color that I am using. It will also reflect on your Photoshop as well. And then you click on it. Then after that, come down to your blending option here. Make sure you pick your soft light. Then on your opacity here, bring it back to 20. Bring it back to 26. Okay, this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. Then after that, you come down here to on your keyboard, make sure you click on your shift and mark these two layers together, mark the first layer and the second layer together, and then you group them into one. Group these two layers into one, create a group for them, and then you will name the layer to color grading. You name the layer to color grading, just for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, then when you are done with that, you hold your alternate key and then you add the layer marks on that color grading layer, just like this. And then when you are done with that, you come down to your brush tool. You use your normal brush tool here. Make sure your opacity is set to 100, your flow is also set to 100. Make sure at this point your foreground color should be set to white and your background color should be set to black, and then you now click on the part that you want those colors to pop up. That is what you have to do now. Make sure you click on those parts that you want those color to reflect. Okay, I don't want all this color to show on her makeup and also on the cloth that she's putting on. That is why I'm using this pattern right now. And guys, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification, because I drop weekly videos on this channel. And the only way you can support me, guys, is for you to subscribe and also click on the notification, so that when I drop a content, it will also get to know, and also YouTube will take this video out to more creatives that will be helpful for them as well. Okay, so guys, this color grading is just something that you should know how to do it very well, because there's a situation whereby you will find yourself and your loot or your presets, you can't find them in your system, and you have customers work to deliver, and you don't have any excuse that your loot is not there or your preset is not there. You just have to know how to do this simple and easy color grading, just as you can see on my screen. And trust me, at the end, the results will be so amazing. The result will be so nice and excellent. It is something that you should watch and just on your own time, practice it on your own time, on your free time, so that you'll be used to it. This is the color grading I've been using most of the time, okay, because this is very easy and very effective. As you can see, this is the before and this is the after. This is the before, this is the after. As you can see on my screen, this is the before and this is the after. But if you see it's too much, just as you can see on my screen now, you do see back to, I'm going with my 50. Just as you see on my screen, this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification. This is just how you can have amazing skin tone on your Photoshop. Okay, before, after, before, after.